Welcome to a quick tutorial on the Communications tool in the OCMS Portal. You can access the Communications tool from Phase 1 Assess. The Communications tool helps you plan and manage communications for your impacted audiences. When you first open the Communications tool, it will be empty until the first communication is added. There are two ways to add communications. You can add them directly in the tool, or you can use the Excel upload feature. Let's get started by clicking Add New Communication. Choose your communication type. You can also add your own communication. Enter the communication name and delivery date. Next, you'll be selecting who the communication is being sent to. The options you have populate from the project's target audience list. You can select groups, job roles, stakeholder types, individuals, or locations. Now select the objective and channels for the communication. You can add your own options by clicking the plus button. Enter your subject line and message, and attach an image if you like. When selecting the sender, you can choose from an OCMS system user, someone from your target audience list, a stakeholder type such as champions, or enter a name under others. If you'd like to track message success, select one or more metrics to measure. You can also add your own option. When you're finished, click Save. Adding a spreadsheet of communications is simple. Just click the Upload button. You can download a template or map your own spreadsheet. I've already downloaded and prepared the template, so I'll upload it. Now all my other communications have populated. On the Communications calendar, you can see the key details for your communications. Use the status field to keep track of communication and engagement status. One last thing I wanted to mention was that the tool has a free communication engagement survey. And that concludes this quick walkthrough of the Communications tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.